Hey, all you Create TV fans, I'm Buki today, and if you love bread the way I love bread, you are going to indulge on this brunch bread pudding. 1 to 2 loaves of your favorite brioche, challah, whatever sort of egg bread that you like. I leave them out overnight so they get a little stale. That's gonna make sure it soaks up all that eggy, creamy goodness. Big, thick slices, about 3/4 of an inch to a full inch, and you can always cut to fit however you like in your 13 by 9 inch baking dish. Next is the custard mixture. So it starts with 5 cups of half and half. Into that, we're gonna put 8 beaten eggs, 3 tablespoons of honey, teaspoon of vanilla, teaspoon of cinnamon, teaspoon of freshly grated nutmeg, pinch of cognac, 1 teaspoon of orange zest. You can zest it right in the bowl. And for the juice, just half. So that's gonna be about 1/4 of a cup. Well incorporated and smooth. Pinch of salt, tie it all over. All you do now is pour this mixture over your bread pieces. You're gonna press it down. After 10 minutes of soaking, you're gonna place your bread pudding into a larger roasting pan and surround it with hot tap water going up halfway. What we're creating here is a bain-marie. So with the hot water, it stays at an even temperature while baking. Tent with aluminum foil, 350 degrees for 45 minutes. Take the foil off and continue baking for 45 minutes to an hour. Set your timer. And it's gonna be dark, tough, crispy on the edges, and that custard is going to be ridiculous.